Here we're given the trig integral sin³ x cosine x dx. And if you're just starting out with trig integrals, this may seem to be a little bit confusing, but this one seems to be fairly straightforward. It allows us to just use the principles of U-substitution. What we can do is we can let u equal sine x, and of course the derivative of u is just cosine x dx, which we have here. So what this really is the integral of u³ du, which of course when you integrate becomes u to the 4th power over 4, and because this is an integral with no bounds, we have to add a constant at the end. Finally, to solve this one, we just replug in for u, and we'll have sine to the 4th power x over 4 plus c. And that is the final solution to this trig integral. If you have any questions, or if you've got any other calculus or physics problems you want me to work through, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you found this helpful.